Agya Kwabena wo se wan no a wo ti UTV no o wanim tantan se na ntwie bini kwasia matisi yese o bo mi di se na mimi di atem wo dwan Kevin Taylor kwasia ni di atem no anopa awi anwumre na muguo Captain Smart jomama de ne tu pe ura no odi atem kwasia anopa awi na mote wo mantimi ankasa
enti me hwe me slot ni mu a na nka week we no Agya Kwabena he is out of the system because me bookings no na Agya Kwabena anka ho but Twene Jonas dey be Penyah nyabotre me was ka metua me say tua yem book Agya Kwabena na say Twene Jonas okay my ready what I say my ready say I'm no get here no Twene Jonas as a bookie premium version for Agya Kwabena Twene abe tua sika bia be hwe sika Twene Jonas e de ba ye na e was be book Agya Kwabena ko sika no ano wo hyepe yi Twene es abekere adwene ase bona nka ekwu mu no Twene Jonas as abe hanya mu Agya Kwabena yesa na betena hot seat ne so Twene abegi ka bi pa kire no ana fe mo nchima nka hawin mo sa Agya Kwabena mu dem no ahai Penyah block media meso ase ani di mu obe like video no ada mo subscribe button so make keke notification akwa no latest update am bekere wa adwen dia mame e wo comment e meso ase obaswa no a share video mo first enya bi ahwe menim se sia nse Agya Kwabena te ho na odun se suna no be ka se na te me kra because kan se me ye dey me ko kan se me pa ye dey oko ye dey edo last week ni mo Agya Kwabena wa trend pay in fact na media nso kwa no aye mmobo na Agya Kwabena kwa aye mmobo one trend ne pa ni nyina fa ne nsem a obeka ye etia o mu ana o mu ka se o plane crash o zenga sem nyamfi na ewu no Agya Kwabena yi obaye kan adwen ekire wo mu kan se owu a de na mu benya ene adade enu mu tani o mu anga e ba ne so na me hit e Agya Kwabena so nya ba ko bi na se na e team nsunum
yes Ghana for answer ye be wo enkwa nyansafo amo makota TikTok awishi obi wuo e wo ye friends social media so no ne edika wo panyin jimifo bi ze Agya Kwabena at UTV yes ne edika wo panyin jimifo bi ze Agya Kwabena at UTV Ghana for me say yewura Agya Kwabena se wonim nyansa anko obebusa ne ho se enano de ne siye anti amen kwaye dai e ka say no Agya Kwabena also obi a wo baby me kokwa ye ne ya Agya Kwabena why you said the 1 minute boy
it is obi say Agya Kwabena ti said the 1 minute boy say hey bunya botre you ti said the 1 minute boy say bunya botre ene no mu so ni mu media no so dem no ti ni dwuma e fi asho ase ni ti say paddle shoot just say media no so there what I say e bi fa no video e ma me ka say nka we week we ni kai me ye bookings me fa Agya Kwabena nka ho because you see Ayɛka akosua support UTV ho na ko one so de no about trend no de no abete e dey go na de na to hot seat no say booking for premium but Twene see there be Penyah nyabotre Penyah sen ba nyina me nkan bi o ya yi mi mu Twene kan wo de bra na Twene so abeka ne de
enti musu a da bia ma be di jomama atem Kevin Taylor abo na de na beto amani mansoma ni so fa ne kwasi ankobo Kevin Taylor pa enti jomama na onyo bia me nya NDC MPP ni no ma ba be cheme me omusuro me national skit for agimi for ni na suro me waja se mo ntafo nkwasiafo yo mgubo kokura mu ntimi nkochi omo akwasia me mu na mbetimi ni ma ba be jimi se mba ba be cheme ana akwasia bi na efre no Agya Kwabena wo se wan no a wo ti UTV no o wanim tantan se na ntwie bini kwasia matisi yese o bo mi di se na mimi di atem wo dwan Kevin Taylor kwasia ni di atem no anopa awi anwumre na muguo Captain Smart jomama de ne tu pe ura no odi atem kwasia anopa awi na mote wo mantimi ankasa enti onwan obi di jomama ofui na tema ma menti se odo kwasia betena ho na wo betu nipa fo bio kwasia de NDC fo ni gu ye na no ano mutwa Jimmy enti suanyansa pantoto obo branka anya akuraketo atise kwa me despite ne bebi adwuma no afọ adwuma na ahomache wasori akotena ho ekoye adwuma ama no kwasia baby a won fi aduru esenka umum na oni FM station na nkufu te so ye adwuma discover o odwan me suanyansa pan kwasia munsua nyansa ade a ye de ye obi a muntimi nkasa no ye de ye obi foforo so amunye din stupid people. Peace out, Nyamisha Bibia Sotiano. The truth will always defeat lies, and nobody's better at this than me. The Almighty Twene Jonas stands tall with the truth, and nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, can defeat the truth. The truth will always win. Now, your mama will quasi any when your first and last, I'd best say, Sika for private jet bio. ka be be 24-hour economy no kwasia ti se sika no kofro private jet jimi fo uya na do kwasia betina se ye mo abaso se wo ya ade che MPP fo kwasia MPP any difference be no
na twene di sina no ene na media no so o ma sa so Agya Kwabena mu se Agya Kwabena bra betina se bra ye no nwie bra betina se bra betina se
bra Agya Kwabena bra wo pacho na ha ye pacho we ye du tire nu binimu ho we di tire hu se binika ere nkwasi asem na ati station wa wo keka no utiri abo pepe hu se kuku ase bayre unti kuro ma bi de yakoso nyina wa anti bi wa anti bi da o pache so ti kuro ma wonte hwe uti amuna se na ntwi a wa mini konko wate wa anti bi ese wara na tena ho na jimi tena ho na jimi onso wada ne pani kwasea o ka se ye mabunu na ya ba ye wure fi asema hu ni wo be ka to ho ne no wo chena ene ye de be jeje wo asia semu akwa
Agya Kwabena of UTV Agya mechia wa no pe Agya Kwabena unim die nti a youth ni bi bo afu no Agya Kwabena were one of the fine gentlemen in journalism and journalist for na like I admire so much me di anopa bia na me show program Agya Kwabena since 2024 Agya Kwabena you talked about galamsey and I supported you 100% correctly anopa bia obetina TV so the first thing you do you talk about galamsey na we transuo na we bo aban na chi omonye bibi mfa galamsey ho Agya Kwabena we all supported you what you say e ma sami jemfimu koyi demonstration bi so Agya Kwabena just 7 months 8 months along the line Agya Kwabena still galamsey cost din pa Agya Kwabena dia na we in 2024 Agya Kwabena 2025 ye hu se we bi anope bia na nso ne say dia na we ye ndada no first no je ne sa pepepe maye enti Agya Kwabena youth ni bu afu no some of the youth Agya Kwabena said the energy now they can some 2024 no sa energy ni 2025 asa so ate enti enipa be your imagine say papa we NDC ni Agya Kwabena ye NDC ni enye yasem because obi entimi nko MPP no obi anso entimi nko NDC but we journalist be neutral what you say e mo obi hu kra so ye NDC ni o so otimi bo aban na chi 240 but e kire say ni de na we NDC ni Agya Kwabena de ekoyi de o ya me asusu say we NDC Agya Kwabena energy na we use in 2024 no fasa energy na use in this year maye na no ano na mpo atwa ne de I don't second obi a wo twa mpo abate Agya Kwabena wan ka say to wala o
abusuan tie say obi tie mi a onka nkyere Agya Kwabena say me say week way it will be very very long for him if we say adia president Akufo-Addo time na ye bone no samri emeye no kore ana emeye de papa wo so the way the media is like the media na sisi ayehu no people don't actually respect you. People don't care how you are or the kind of pedigree you raise yourself to. People don't care. So anything that you are doing or anything that you see on television, like I told you before, be circumspect. Wiki we ni wamau. If we say, ya wahana na nano time nkete senior high school for mo kra pono mo maame na mo papa no mo ntue school fees o mo fafun no maka de mo pede akire na nado. We sat, listened and never took any action. Today, and then those wrongs then is now right today. And those things that were wrong today, it will be right tomorrow. This is not the kind of we are all calling for. And that one week way about 1 month. If we say some of you want it and you will get it from the youth, because now the youth don't care. They actually don't care about your feeling or what you are doing. So we have to understand. Say ni esi neno. Agya Kwabena ebe 1 month. The same youth that you were thinking that you were preaching goodness to are today coming after you. Every say, we don't see it today being right. You see how you are running. That is how the youth of Ghanaians are today.
Ghana phone cry. Aden. Ghana youth. Aden amo tete Agya Kwabena of UTV sa. Me say, wo de amunye din na mo hwe video yi. Na esre papa.
Yes, ye nipa o. Ye nipa me be kan asem bi. No nipa no kan me boni din. Mudi atama yeti o. Mo supan ya yeti o. Tie. I say all these people are on big platforms. Go back to school and learn the journalism world. Kurasini journalist. Mutie ni.
Okay. Ghana phone cry. Aden na mama wiki. Aye ting. Edi ama Agya Kwabena of UTV. Agya Kwabena. We di esa wiki we che esa si wiki o. Ey. Na di asam na mai ko kan ya. Omudi na tem sa. Agya Kwabena se mun kan che mo se. Mudi na tem a wote. Wote. Ya na ya omuya. Omuya nipa. Ntimudi o matam ya omote. Na obi atimi attest Agya Kwabena ka chen se cràsh ni journalist. Hey. Koye pani misremo atim di ne doso. Obi se ai di tise koko e sha akrentam. Obi ni tise de wa mene bo. Aden Ghana phone cry. Atem di ekosu free fan. Agya Kwabena. Oso duebo wo Agya Kwabena. Uti metna TV so last 4 years. Hey, and the politicians. And before, come on, Kashi. Sami Jamfi, I got to you say, Yankupon kum na do mayano. One can want them. And a quanya, and I before, and your customer muntie, and I say, can't be before some for the last 4 years. And then this buy. Obiko ka say, enka plane crash no kan Sami Jamfi na kan wu a umuni yakum say yes Sami Jamfi ya papa wo yes Sami Jamfi ena ma osika ntike omoka so nkonko wuo no nka obeya janka say ka Agya Kwabena beya janka tene ni abra no kon tintina sori ya wotiam 4 years ago uti Kevin Taylor nka okroma uti Twene Jonas uti nkofo no mu di His Excellency na nadu dako Akufo-Addo ateni ba omi ante wo Agya Kwabena na oka ho ena abai sesan dia enkra ni nya atem didie omo se afekwa no mastati me subscribe to atem didie because politics kabi na men kabi sharing of ideas then na oba obetumi aye me ba metumi aye we monto abama me na o party aye akono ye nyina ye ntimi nko party baako enti Agya Kwabena de wu ye nyina no we a chese edipa ehwew no mo so we hypocrite Agya Kwabena enkra mpanimfo obi a so ye hypocrite won say na oba wadwuma mu ho no ani ase atata ni suo odi ahin kan ka che se nko ne wanko no madura wu atam de ye doso and I'm say media yakwa politicians ena ye defend politicians ade anye defendable kra na defend yomo chese Sami Jamfi na bounce kanti obi bon pese Sami Jamfi wuti wadwa hwe na Sami Jamfi we nipa che o mane bo ama Sami Jamfi ye nipa che Mutala Mohammed omukro mawu yesi de edua ne no eno de betwa na ochina enti Agya Kwabena what is good for the goose is good for the gander the last 4 years one ka ye didin Akufo-Addo ene baumia His Excellency atem no wan ka ho asem enti ne say mu di His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne nkofo atem a keep quiet now de kwaji usika di na mrante ne say unnim na sa ba ka biem a wo beto samia
Agya Kwabena UTV good morning Mira but now what is saying Mira who say mrante ne maba wan dodo na edi watem media no so very very sad. If I consider myself to be in your shoe, you will say, ma, a comedian as no more. The way I'm ranting and maba will move a very, very sad. And so, I almost am ranting on what I'm with. Dear, right. We ain't yachim, papa. Say, one my politics na outdoor. Even though politics are in a city, you can see a national chairman one year. Uye nyatwem. Na edu baby ametena wana me show na. Eya me biza mo nti ukwa sorry. Uye Kristoni. Then me nima sora woko. Wa sorry na woko no. Eya ni ngu ase de ma wa sorry no. Se na wo behave. Na se wo ma ani bedi so mo free papa o te se wo dia. Ese o mara. Uye nyatwem. Mesha Mekasa say Manunti, I will never do that. I am against politics of insult. I am against that. I will never and ever support it. But Mimia, and Penyimbu baby. Penyinsen and I really did come by. One day once in above ye. A brand man for a dear bind that down nipping be more tem. Ubekasai, one might be defended, you will support it. Or support it. Then they say, Jacob and neck, then they see. One will say, we ain't natural. Wofuru baby wofuru we ebe kono de akire. Why you say mo binti na Ghana for na yenye nsantwerefo ni. Emre bi atwa mu se radio presenter, TV presenter ka asema ye konk ye munya se bepe I mean ye be confirm e no kore. Ba mo bi mo yefunu amudi mo yefunu achinti no. Na Ghana fo nye nsantwerefo ni. Aya na minim sa ukotena wo TV ne so wa e o ni se wonim nyansa chen wo bia wo wi ase o ka se fa na wo boa me hwe wo show e ko hwe wo after news 10 ba mo discuss mo yan uye nyatwem wo unka no kre na I don't know why sa wo kwa sorry there was so for nkan kire wo what we are doing there, what we are doing on that radio no enye generation now you know you are doing pure politics. Se MPP ni ba no be share ni wi andis ni ba o ka wo mo bo mo yetu no mo share ndi MPP ni o ye nyatwem me se ma wo ana me so a me ni NDC fo bi mu na wo they even condemn what you did once one man ho kwan na no mu di watem o me di watem I don't support it but o me di watem Nobody what him. Say a baby a chamu. Now, man for the dear banda Danny Pamo for them. You did the president of the land, the vice president of the land, the IGP of the land. Only this umpire falling at them, even the ministers. Even now, so for Bimute say, former Pentecost chairman. Yeah, Papa Onyina. Opoku Onyina. It did do more them frail within all the name of National Cathedral. One condemn it. Jene so obi di obi atene oba be condemn ya they see we say we betrayer we the baboni ni on fa no kore nyaduma na kire na kadia me so won kwasore me nyini so Kristo ni so kwaso so metu fu di jai na we ni baboni ni Ayɛka Kwabena no we be dia no so a obi e ka wasem. Are you telling me say wo mo ka wasem na ya me before? No. So mama ka wasa obi dey so ina yam bibi dey and before the can be an election no because victory President John Dramani mama na this for nya no e overwhelming victory that is a Ghana for to abana man wo mududu bimu no me yam before but they voted for President Mama bimu no me other political parties but they voted for him because they knew say na President Mama baba ya dibia mo man no ene wo ene ma na wo tewa na wo support a na enye no ene wo defend this omunyai wo ye nyatwem. Let me tell you this my very good brother. Ene mabunu no maba no they are very wise, very smart. Revere there. And it's a threat to amanofoni na. Obana bossa wo say mabunu no wanya, they will criticize you. They will put you on the right path. Some of us, that is what we are going to do. Who is not Ayɛka Kwabena? That's what we do with him. And a warning to Central Phoning. You see, sir, also comedian as well. To do a book at
What I say? It we criminal there. I come here as Ayɛka Kwabena no. Obe side out trend kakra. Obe trend sideways. Obe trend along with Akusu Kwabena. Hey, do my hene. Raf the fellow guy is on who about it. What I say? Oh, kuze to black kwade Muhammad private so abet edom o mputu hu ababete Sam Joe so de hu ababete cheche weekwe no Mugabe mass so cheche me wo bookings I was able to abotra the pen to me ye share them ni subscribe to this channel what I say my latest update obet ma chero adwan ma me e wo comment section I Penyah block media agra